Okay, let's take it like the way Marcelo plays. He should.
That's how you.
Yeah.
That's how you play.
Yeah.
What should supporters expect from you? Because, like I said earlier on, Kotoko, the demand from the media, the demand from the supporter are sometimes excessive, and you need to have that courage to withstand that storm. Would you say that your stints with Simba, playing at the Benjamin Parker 60,000 capacity field, do you think that that is going to help you to settle quickly?
Yeah, it will.
How would you explain that?
You know, I have experience with that. So, like, for me, what I can say that is for supporters to be patient, and also like the experience that I have, I know I'll do best to make them proud. Yeah.